Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are exploring the world of data processing with PySpark on a Databricks Community Edition. Get ready to dive into the LeetCode SQL challenge with datasets and code running right on the Databricks. Let's dive in.
We are going to solve problem number 584, finding customer referee. So we have seen solutions on SQL as well as pandas. So please find the description to get the links for that tutorial. So let's see. They have given a customer table with columns of ID, name and referee ID. So what they have asked is find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with the ID equal to 2. Didn't mention any order, so we don't have any problem with that. So let's see. If you see the example, table consisting of ID, name and referee. So if you see the reference ID, so there are some null values, and what they have mentioned clearly is not referred by 2. We can consider null values as well on a condition. So Alex is referred by 2 and Mark is also referred by 2. If you see the output, you didn't see anything here, so we don't have any problem with the output. So let me try to show it to you on a PySpark. So I have created data sets on a Databricks Community Edition. So I'll move it to the Community Edition and I'll show it to you. As I said before, I already started my cluster, so I'm going to import the necessary libraries here. So if you see that cluster is necessary for our code, so I'm going to solve the LeetCode 584. So I'm just waiting, so let's wait for a moment of time. So here, if you see here, I'm creating a data set what we have mentioned on a LeetCode. So already run, so there is no problem for it. I'm creating a data set for a customer DF. So I'm running it. So basically, yeah, it runs successfully. Let me show you the data set what we have before. So yeah, it's running. It's showing because it's calling an action. So basically, when you call an action only, it perform the it will create the plan and everything goes with it. So I hope who knows PySpark, which is a past Spark knowledge, so they will know it. So let me go with the results. So on the customer DF, we have to filter out the records which is not referred by 2. So we have to include the null values as well, and I'm selecting the name as well here. So on a result DF, so I'm doing transformations, and if I call an action, it performs the process. So if you see here, we got the output. So that's it.
That's it for today's PySpark LeetCode solution on our Databricks Community Edition. Ready for more? Check out the links for SQL and pandas. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.